If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to Laura Jean. Isn't she adorable? Now she is a super lightweight bag, which is really nice. She's I want to say small to medium size. She's not too big, she's not too small, she's just right. Let me show you some amazing features of this bag. So my favorite thing about this bag is this front accent thing. So it is a zipper pocket right here. And then this overlay also acts as our handle connectors on the front. Now on the back, we have two connectors here. We could definitely repeat this on the back side as well, if that is something that you would want to do. It's the bottom. I just love that decorative bottom and band along the bottom side. I did this one with double-sided straps. We could do single color, we could do double color, we could do whatever you like. It also has a recessed zipper closure. And on the inside, we have a generous slip pocket as well as a zipper pocket. She is the perfect everyday bag. I just love her. She can be made in cottons or vinyls. Now this front part has to be made in a vinyl or a cork because we do have raw edges, which I have done some beautiful edge painting on all of those. So they have a great finished touch. Yeah, but leather, cork, cottons, whatever you would want this made in, I can do for you. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.